Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of Ghana's most loved street foods, Gobe, also known as beans stew served with fried red plantain. If you've never tried Gobe before, you are in for a treat. Let's get cooking. So I have listed all the ingredients you need for this recipe in this video, and I'll leave it at the description, so do check it out. First, wash your beans thoroughly and put them in a pot. Add water and let them cook until soft. This usually takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Now, if you want your Gobe to taste just like the street, you need to add chopped onions. Season it with salt and allow it to cook. Cooking tip number 1: if you want your beans to cook faster, you need to soak them overnight. This will make it very soft and easy to cook. While the beans are cooking, let's prepare the oil. In a pan, heat up some palm oil. Then add your salted fish. You'll notice that rich deep color right away. Continue stirring and allow the salted fish to fry deep into the oil. Once this is done, then we add our chopped onions to the palm oil. For extra flavor and taste, I added some tuna flakes to this oil. This is strictly optional. You can decide to use it or not, but I prefer to use tuna flakes. It gives this extra taste. Then I added some chili powder to this. Makes it hot and spicy. It's now time for the plantains. You peel and slice your ripe plantain, then fry them in oil until golden brown. They should be soft on the inside and slightly crispy on the outside. Today's appreciation post goes to Ants Media and Style Mumsy. Thank you so much for always engaging on my posts. And that's it. Easy, delicious Ghana Gobe ready. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you've tried this before. And guys, since we are still in the Ghana month, eat Ghana, wear Ghana, drink Ghana. If possible, you do everything Ghana. Continue to stay healthy and stay blessed. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.